In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install and enable the Gboard on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open Play Store and then use the search bar to look for Gboard. Then tap on that and then tap on Install. Wait for it to install. Once it's been installed, you can choose to open it from the App Store or from the Play Store by tapping on the Open button, or you can go back to the home screen, swipe up to open the app drawer, and you'll see Gboard. So tap on that. Then you'll be introduced to the steps. So step 1 is to enable in settings. So you can tap on that and it will take you to your keyboard list and default under general management in the settings menu. So tap on the toggle next to Gboard and then you'll be given a warning that says this input method may be able to collect all text that you type, including personal data like passwords and credit card numbers. It comes from the app Gboard. Use this input method. So if you're okay with that, tap on OK. And then you'll be taken to step 2, which is select Gboard as your default input method. So tap on that and then choose Gboard. Then select Done. Then you'll be taken to the settings of the Gboard menu, where you have languages, preferences, theme, text collection, all those settings. So under languages, these are the keyboard languages that are available. So if you want to add another one, you can tap on Add Keyboard and then choose a language. And then if you want to change how the keyboard looks like, or you want to add a different one, you can scroll through these and tap on them to add them, like that. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can tap on Done, and you can do the same with the other languages. You can also change the theme. So you can have a light blue, and you can have key borders, or you can remove them like that. And if you're happy, you can tap on Apply. If you don't like it, simply just go back and scroll through these colors until you find one that you do like. You can also tap on plus to add a picture or use a picture as your theme. So you can choose from OneDrive, Google Drive, Gallery, your files, photos, or your system traces. So let me use this one. And then select Open with Gallery. And then pinch to drag or to move, however you'd like it to be. You can have it at the top here with just the clouds, or around here. So you can also zoom in or zoom out. It depends on what you want. So I like it around here, and then tap on Next. And then you can adjust the brightness of the image. So you can have it really bright, or you can have it really dim. So all you need to do is just use the slider. So once you're happy with how it looks, tap on Done. And as you can see, now you can choose to have key borders or to just leave it like that. So let me leave my borders there. Then tap on Apply. And you'll notice that whenever you go to type something out, your Gboard is now your default keyboard and the theme has been changed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.